In this video, we will discuss how to perform debugging on browser. What is its process? We perform debugging when we cannot find the error. When we cannot find the error, we add the debugger so we know that the error is here on this line. My output should have been this and it is this. This is what we call logical error. So, let's look at it in a simple way and afterwards we'll look at it with error. So firstly, in the last video, I told you guys about the let's do it function, which has a string and we are converting it to number. So if I add debugger to it and inspect from here, after inspecting it, here I have developer's tool. In it, I will simply go to source, and what I will do in source is, I will add folder. When you click it, it will take you, browser, back to your disk. Whenever you have stored your folder's location, and you will add folder here. After adding folder, you will get a list of all the files. My folder is named a variable. All my files appear here. The file I need, the file I am at now, is test.js. So I will open it and here I will double. So I can see what is 1 by 1 in output after function, line by line. So here I will put 5 after function, so it will be on line. Now what I will do is I will refresh the page. I have refreshed it. So look, it has called the function, the let's do it one. As soon as it was called, there was a breaking point here, so it stopped here. Now we will check it slowly as you will go down. Step over is written here. So you will step over. And as soon as you step over, hover over here, I had a string here. Now if I hover over it, my string is in double quotation marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is in double quotation marks. Okay, like this. So what I have done here is added two number. So it has parsed it and converted string into number. Now there are no double quotation marks here. They are written simply as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has been console logged. In console log, I also have two number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will keep on doing step over. Two number in document.write. We will hover on every variable I have and so it will keep on telling us that okay, this is on this line. Similarly, a function has been called. So here is our answer, our debugger. Now if we want to remove the debugger, we will simply double click here and debugger will be removed. So here, if I add the debugger again and run it again. Okay, look here, when I am slowly coming down to it, I can do it from here as well. I can do this step and I can also do it from this paused in debugger also. So here, if you look at the scope, you have local variable. What are local? We have discussed these, that those which are written in a function. So local variable is written and data 1, 2, 3, 4 is in local variable and global. I have no global, so that's why this is appearing. So I can check my debugging from here. This was a simple way from where I can look at my debugging. In the next video, we will look at how we can handle error in this. So if I want to pause the debugger, I can do it from here. What will happen if I add two debuggers? For example, I have added one from here and one I will add in this type of console log. Okay, now I run it. So what I have done is one is coming like this to the second line. Okay, now I will press it again. So it will be here. What has it done? If we refresh it again, so let's take this. So I go to first and now to the second debugger. When I added one debugger and my debugging has been checked, I have added debugger in several places. Now what I want to do is I want to jump to the next debugger. So I have directly moved to the next debugger. So it has shown me here. We can add multiple debuggers to our code as well, like this. So the simple way to remove them is to do this. Do this and from here simple. So this is debugging. We will do another example which will make this clearer for you.